Hello, everyone. How's life? I hope you are all in good condition. Yeah, healthy and safe as well. I'm Sartje Lobi and glad to see you in this video. And in this occasion, we are going to learn one of the popular topics in English, I guess. That is degrees of comparison. So my question is, have you ever noticed how people compare two things or more? I mean, they compare the characteristic or the condition. If you haven't, I'll show you something. So let's get started. Okay, what is the degrees of comparison? So basically, in grammar, the degrees of comparison relate to adjectives and adverbs. Therefore, by learn these materials, you will be able to compare two things or more. And there are three types of degree. The first is the positive degree, or you can say it as equal comparison. The second one is the comparative degree, and the last is the superlative degree. Okay. The first one, the positive degree. This positive degree offers no comparison, so it just tells us about the existence of equality. So we can use the principles. As you can see, we have as or so plus adjective or adverb and then plus s. It is for positive sentence, and for the negative one, not plus s plus adjective or adverb and plus s. And here is the example. She is as tall as you are. You can see we use as tall as. And the second is he speaks as carefully as Mr. President. He speaks as carefully as Mr. President. And next, we go to the second degree, that is the comparative degree. So this compares two things, once again two things, and to show which has the lesser or greater degree of the quality. And again, we can see the principles here. Adjective plus r plus then for the adjective words or adverb that only have one or two syllable. For example, he is bigger than my brother. As we know, big only have one syllable. And also, Mr. Chris behaves friendlier than Mr. Johnny. And for the words, the adjective words or adverb words that has more than three syllables, we we use more plus adjective plus than. And here is the example. She looks more attractive than Susie. And the second one, the woman is more tolerant than the man. Okay, hope you guys understand until this point. And the last, the superlative degree. This compares more than two things to know which has the least or the greatest degree of the quality. Or in Bahasa, we know it. We know it by saying paling. And the principle is D plus adjective plus S. And again, it's only for one or two syllables. For example, here, the man is the fastest sprinter in the world. And the second one, he is the biggest man in the class. Meanwhile, for the words that more than three syllables, the same case with the comparative one, we put most before the adjective. So the example, she works more carefully among us. And another example, she is the most beautiful woman in the resort. However, guys, there are also several words that do not follow the principles that mentioned before. So look at this following table. We have several words there. First, on the positive degree, we have good. So when it changes to comparative degree, it will be better, and the superlative degree, it will be best. Also, for the next words, well, bad, badly, little, much, many, far. You can see the difference between positive one, comparative one, and the last superlative degree. Okay, until this point, maybe you want to ask something. Okay guys, if you have no questions, you can ask later, and I will give you some sentence that you have to change into degree of comparison. Let's do this one. Okay, number 1 until number 7. Okay, thank you for your attending in this video. Hopefully you will get something useful for you. Thanks guys, see you, bye bye.